Hey zelmay, in this video I'll show you how you manage checks through the software and how you record payment about bank transfer. What you do, this is a member page as you know it. Let's imagine you get some checks, like 12 checks. Let's go to saving. You go to savings account. In Hebrew it's called nihil checking. You go to savings, you create a new. You decide the amount, how much is the amount of the check that you receive. Let's imagine you get check on 1000 shekels. In your software it will be with the shekel currency. The reference, you choose check number 123456, let's imagine, okay? Then you click apply. The moment you click apply, you can see in green invoice you will get a receipt, like kabala, that you got the check. Now, after that, let's go to an unpaid invoice. You go to invoice. On 1000 euros, and then you can click on record payment. Now, when you choose the record payment, you can choose savings account if he pays with a check, savings account. And then you can choose the check number. Check number is 123456 on 1000 shekels. Let's choose that thing. And then we click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, green invoice will send your client invoice receipt or mas kabala, חשבונית mas kabala on the invoice, and that's it. Now, related to bank transfer, you can click on the record payment and you can choose maybe other, and you can write העברה בנקאית or bank transfer. And also you can choose this is what you should do. In US you can choose the ACH, but we don't have ACH here in Israel. So for the documentation you can use both, or to choose the savings account and to record the check, or to click on other and click העברה בנקאית. As soon as the money is in your bank, you need to check if the money was actually got in your bank. And that's about it. It's very easy, very simple. And also, if you need extra guidance, I can send you another video, can help you by the email. That's it. Good luck.